Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming eligibility and gathering core documents because missing one item stalls you. Once verified, create your application account and upload transcripts, degree certificate, and 3 references. This secures your application slot. Next, pay the fee and schedule the entrance exam immediately. Choosing 2 alternates prevents delays. Make sure to note deadlines in a calendar and enable reminders so you won't miss submission windows. And double-check file formats to avoid rejection. You now move into targeted preparation and application polish to maximize your score and approval chances. Start by dividing the syllabus into focused 90-120-minute study blocks and prioritize high-weight topics. Practice with real past papers. Once done, take at least 5 timed mock exams, analyze mistakes, and log weak areas for focused review. Meanwhile, refine your statement of purpose, follow up with referees for timely letters, and ensure supporting ID and CV are formatted and ready for upload. You finish by running a strict final checklist to avoid last-minute failures. Check every document, signature, and payment 72 hours before the deadline. Once satisfied, submit at least 48 hours early so you can resolve any portal issues. Save confirmation emails and payment receipts. If something goes wrong, calmly request feedback immediately, correct the specific errors, and resubmit within the appeal or correction window. This recovery step often secures acceptance without redoing the entire application.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.